Welcome, here I've got Honor 7X and let me show you how to take moving picture in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to stay here and move up to the second from the right button. Just one tap and we can turn on moving picture, another tap to turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. And when we take a photo, we should get two in one, the picture and short clip. So let's try to use this by taking a photo. To see it, we have to move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our photo. I guess that when we move up to the second from the right button again, we can play short clip. And as you can see, this is how it works. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.